Hello my dear friends. Welcome to this English learning video. Today, we will learn simple tense. Do not worry. This lesson is very easy. Listen carefully. Let us begin. What is tense? Tense means time. Time has three parts: past, present, future. What is simple tense? Simple tense is used for simple actions and daily actions. Part 1. Present simple tense. We use present simple tense for things we do every day. Structure: subject plus verb. Examples: I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I go to school. He, she, it rule. For he, she, and it. Add s to the verb. He wakes up early. She drinks tea. It works well. Part 2. Past simple tense. We use past simple tense for things that happened before. Structure: subject plus past verb. Examples: I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I drank tea. I went to school. Part 3. Future simple tense. We use future simple tense for things that will happen later. Structure: subject plus will plus verb. Examples: I will wake up early. I will brush my teeth. I will drink tea. I will go to school. Easy way to remember. Present: every day. Past: yesterday. Future: tomorrow. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Do not be afraid. Mistakes are okay. You can learn English. Thank you for watching.